Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Linda, and I'm going to be doing a meal plan for the week and Instacart grocery haul. So I will walk you through basically how I do it, and how I make my meal plan, how I do my Instacart order. So let's get started. Okay, so basically to do my meal plan, I start with going through my refrigerator and my pantry and freezer to kind of just see what it is that I already have. And then from there, I can figure out what meals I can make with that. And then anything that I'm like, if I don't have a specific item, I can go ahead and order it and make my grocery list accordingly. So when I do that, I also utilize my Google Calendar, and I pretty much track all the meals that I plan every month. And basically there I track them all so that way I don't duplicate. Now some things I do duplicate because we like to have certain things, our favorites, and I make sure and put those on the menu. But I kind of just like to mix it up or whatever, so it just doesn't get boring. So
Okay, you guys, so now we're in my Google Calendar where I keep track of all the recipes that I've had for previous months. Here you can see April and May. And basically it just helps me keep track of what it is that we've already had and if we have happened to eat out at that time. And it helps me to plan so that way I don't duplicate too many things. Now certain things on there we like to have, so I include those in the meal plan. But this really helps me, keep it organized. And then of course here on the tabs, I take all the other tabs off highlight so that way I can just focus on the meals. So it's a good way to keep organized and stay on task. And then here we're looking at my Instacart cart, and these are all the items that we have in my cart at the moment. Me and my mom are sharing a cart at this time. It's just easier to buy what I need because sometimes I'm not buying a lot. And Instacart also has this feature where you have like all the items that you have purchased before, and you can just go back through here and then choose them again without having to search all over again.
okay, so right now I'm just gonna kind of walk you through what I decided to make for this week. So I start all my meals obviously on a Sunday. I start with Sunday as the first of the week, and so basically we're going to be having sausage, pasta, charo beans, and rice on Monday. On Tuesday we're going to be having tostadas. Wednesday we're going to be having carne guisada. Thursday we're going to be going we're going to be ordering dinner and picking it up just because it's the last day of school. So something a little fun. And then for Friday I'm going to be making a pasta with a poblano cream sauce, and then chicken quesadillas for Saturday. And then for the following Sunday we're going to do I'm going to roast a chicken. So pretty much with everything that I have in my pantry and my freezer and my refrigerator, now all I have to do is basically just get the items that I still need. So I'm gonna just finish up my Instacart order and go ahead and get it ordered. Okay, so the Instacart order just came. I ordered from Kroger, and I basically just got the things that I needed for the week. We needed more bananas and strawberries for smoothies, and then of course the tortilla chips. You can do anything with them. You can eat them with just chips and salsa, or make nachos. And then of course I'm going to be making a poblano cream sauce on pasta on Friday, so I needed the poblanos for the cream sauce, and of course the Texas toast to go with that meal. And of course I always get carrots and cucumbers, so I can kind of munch on them through the week, because I already had romaine lettuce for my salads. And then on Saturday, we're going to be making quesadillas. And I needed some tomatoes for the pico and the avocados for the guacamole. So I also got some bread for sandwiches and some more chicken that I'll probably cut up and freeze. Or actually I might use this for the chicken quesadillas that I'm doing on Saturday. And then of course some convenience foods. This chicken nuggets from Kroger, and also French fries, and of course milk. So that is pretty much the Instacart order that I got from Kroger. Okay, so that's pretty much my meal plan and Instacart order for the week. So in the description box below, I have put the meal plan for the week, and also the list of ingredients and recipes so that you can print it off. So if you haven't already made your meal plan, this will save you some time, and you can just go ahead and use the one that I created. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.